Welcome everybody. We have this question. We expected to find the shaded region. Now, these are the shaded regions, right? We need to get the area of these regions. Now, there is a point of tangency at P, and if I were to take this as A, B, C, we are given PC to be as 7 units, and the radii of the circle, radius is given as 3 units. So we will have to get the shaded region area. So foremost, what I wish to do is to use this tangent theorem. Now, by tangent theorem, the angle made by the radius of the circle with the tangent line is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so this would mean if I were to drop a line like this, this is 3 units, this is 90 degrees. Now by the same theorem I can drop a line over here, and this will also be 3 units, and clearly we see that this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, so this will also be 3 units. Okay, so we have a square there. So let me call this as MONB. So we have the square MONB created. So hence the area of the square is side multiplied with side, which is 3 into 3, which is 9 square units. So that is the square area. Now we are going to use the second theorem. This is 2 tangent theorem. So what does it state? 2 tangents drawn from an external point to the circle will always be of equal length. Okay, that is the meaning. So we have an external point C, 2 tangents are heading. Okay, so from C there are 2 tangents to the circle at P and N. So this implies PC will be equal to NC. Now since PC is equal to 7, this distance is given as 7. This means NC will also be equal to 7. Okay, so let me write that down there, 7. This NC is 7, BN is 3 units, so this means BC is Bn plus Nc, which is 3 positive 7 is equal to 10 units. Okay. Now let me take this as x. By the same two tangent theorem, if I were to take this as x, this will also be x. So this means AM is equal to x, which in turn means AB is equal to x positive 3. Now since the triangle ABC is right angled, we use Pythagoras theorem. So what does it state? It states AB squared plus BC squared is equal to AC squared, right? So AB squared is x positive 3 squared plus BC 7 plus 3 10, and AC is x positive 7 squared. So this is x squared 6x positive 9 positive 100 is equal to x squared positive 14x positive 49. X squared gets cancelled away. You bring everything to this side, you get 9 plus 100 negative 49 negative 14x positive 6x. So I can add 9 with 49. Of course this is equal to 0. So that means I get a negative 40. I add it with 100, I get 60. And I already have 6x with negative 14x. That is going to give me 8x. So negative 8x is equal to 0, right? So just to have a recheck, negative 40, positive 60, negative 8x. So this means 8x is equal to 60. So x is equal to 60 over 8. 4 divides by 2 times, 4 divides by 15 times. So x is equal to 15 over 2, which means 7.5. So therefore height of the, or I would say area of the triangle, area of triangle ABC is half times base into height. So half times base is 10 units. Height is x positive 3, right? So x positive, my x is, I have got x as 7.5. So 7.5 plus 3 is 10.5, right? 2 divides here 5 times. So I get 5 5s are 25 2 and 5 1s are 5. 52.5 square units. So we need to get the shaded region area. So square units. So area of the shaded region is equal to area of the triangle minus area of the circle. So area of the triangle is 52.5 square units. Area of the circle is pi r squared. Radius is 3 units, so 9 pi. So therefore required area 52.5 minus 9 pi. I take pi is 3.14, which means 9 times of 3.14 is 9 4s are 36, 3, 12, 1, 27, 28. 28.26. So from 52.5 you subtract 28.26. 52.5, 28.26. 4, you have 4 there, you get 2. You get 4, you already have 4 there. 24. So 24.24 square units. What is this? This is the required area. Okay, So the most important part here is from the triangles area, we take away the circles area. From the triangle area, you take away the circles area. That would give you the area of the shaded region. This is a beautiful question, people. Please like, share and subscribe. Until we meet again. Thank you.